can we all take a moment to realize that Bedwars updates have not been that good recently? Like, look at this update. They literally had to make, where's the kit section? They literally had to make Beekeeper free. Like, bruh. You're a complete shit. So, like, yeah. And a skin that nobody's gonna use. I just said no one is gonna use. I'm so good at English, it's like 9:55. Like, PM right now. I'm kinda tired, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go to bed soon, but first, I need to make this video. Talking to you, you know, there's gonna be a new update in like 2 days. Friday. It's Wednesday, the day I'm recording this. Friday's gonna be the update. Listen, I know the best. Snake Tricks is my father. And we're like, nobody cares. Anyways, back to the video's point. I have a good idea for a Bedwars update. Basically, they need to make something. It's a stupid idea, but you know how they added beggars to the game? Because you can, like, you know, you can buy a kit. Like, there are all these sick kits in the game. Then you see these kits, right? There's this little button over here. You click it. You can gift it to a username. So you can gift it. You can say, "Hi." You can gift Pirate Davy, and it costs Robux. And yeah, like, that's a good idea and all, but what I think we should be able to do is something far more interesting. Kit trading. Now, listen, what Citrix needs to do is he needs to come out with both of the kits for the Battle Pass. Like, both. Or how about don't update next week, just add like 2 times XP or something, and like duels add back, please. And then the week after that they need to do those 2 kits, that one, and then the one for level 5. They need to add those 2 kits to the game, and like basically, after they add those, they also need to add like 3 more kits to the kit section, and then they need to add. This is my perfect update, by the way. And then they need to add a King Trinity skit, like a golden version of Trinity. And then they also need to put the kit section in the locker and name the kit section from kit to kits. And do kits owned. And Battle Pass kits owned. So yeah. They also need to add a section that's like non-Battle Pass or something. But basically, yeah, that's what I think they should do. They should add like 5 like new kits. Like add like 3 more kits to like the kits section, add the 2 new kits to Battle Pass, and then they need to make kit trading. At that point, there's going to be 40 kits in total in the game. This is 35 or 36. I don't really know at the point right now. And it's 40 kits you're able to trade. So what I'm thinking is going to be like a little bit of a trade button right here. So you click the trade button, then there's going to be like a list of usernames. Like, hold on, let's go kit gifting quickly. Let's go like Vanessa gift kit. Basically, like when it says trade, it's going to be like, okay, here's the people in the server. You can scroll down. You can click on someone. You can click on a person. It's like trade sent, and then like a thing is gonna come up. Let me just go 1 second on a website. Hold on. Okay, tab, please. Oh, that's a lot of tabs. I don't think we need that many tabs. Okay, let's go. This is the only free website I know of. My computer is doing serious lag right now. Oh my god, please load, just please load, please. Oh my god. Yeah, you can see I need a new computer. But like, no. Loading, I just wanna sketch what I think this would like look like, kind of. Please. Please. Okay. Is it gonna actually? Okay. Is it gonna work? Okay. Finally. So basically, you make a big box. It's gonna come up and it's going to be like, your offer, and then it's gonna be like other players' offer, and then basically, right here there's going to be like a list of like all the different kits that you own. Like right here, this is a terrible sketch by the way. It's gonna there's gonna be like a scroll bar right here. You can like use this like scroll down, see all the kits you own, and basically you can select them. And then yeah, like a green check mark will go for the ones you select. Like, let's just say you want to put barbarian, and then basically like you put the basically this is basically you put barbarian. Let's put a B for barbarian, and then you also wanna put like the pyro kit or something. Yeah, like who wants that? But like, yeah, I'll put a P for the pyro kit. See, a barbarian and pyro in the trade. Yeah, and then someone else can be like, oh well, I think like there's gonna be like a whole like kit value list. And you can maybe like also trade clan coins, kind of like Pet Simulator X and like Clicker Sim, like clan coins. Enter the amount of clan coins. So this guy can be like, oh, I think like there's a whole value list. Let's just say it's worth like 100,000 clan coins for a pyro because it's a rare kit. So let's do 100,000 clan coins, and also he wants to give the Raven kit. Now, basically, then there will be a button right here that says I don't know, ready. This is not how you spell ready, but no one asked. Ready. You click the ready button. Let's control. Yeah, oops. Yeah, you click the ready button. You click that. Click it. And then basically, after you click the ready button, over here, your whole thing is gonna like turn green, and then basically, if he readies up, his side is gonna turn green, but it's obviously gonna turn way more green than your side. Okay, I think we're getting a little off topic at this point, but what the heck am I downloading? Just remove the things. Alright, so yeah, basically that's what the heck is this? Cancel. Cancel. Let's hope that did something. No, X. Ew. Anyways, yeah. So basically, the whole point of this is you offer a kit. They offer like a kit. They also can offer clan coins. You can offer clan coins. So you put 500, or no, 5,000 clan coins as well. Basically, you do that. It's like trade processing or whatever. And basically, like also, okay, yeah, that's how the trade system will work. But also, another idea I had. I'm gonna quickly delete all this quickly. Oh, I just realized I need how I erase again. I haven't used this in so long. Oh yeah, it's an eraser tool. Okay. So basically, yeah, let's just erase all of this quickly, so you don't need any of this anymore. Do that. That. Because I want to show like a completely like new thing as well. Alright, so now that we're done erasing that, basically let's go back to the pencil. Yeah. Okay. So basically, and you can trade, but also what I was thinking is, you know, like what if you just want to buy the Inferno Shielder kit? This is the Inferno Shielder kit. I am such a good drawer. He has a shield and he has a cool helmet. Yeah, this is the Inferno Shielder kit. I'm gonna say IF because I'm lazy. And then basically, you can buy the kit, of course, for Robux. There's gonna be a flat buy button. You can buy the kit. So, yeah. Buy. Yeah, basically, you can buy the kit, and then you can buy like multiple copies of it. So, like, if you have one of the kits, it will just be like ×1, and then like Oh no, if you wanna do it like get 2, you can have a second version. If you want to get 3, you can have a third version. And then you can like trade multiple copies of these inside of the trade. I don't know. It seems necessary to have maybe something like this. Fine, do your stupid eraser tool. Jeez. Erase all this, no big deal. Yeah, I just feel like, I don't know. This might have taken a little bit longer than it was supposed to. I just kind of want them to add kit trading. And then like, also, please, add like in your missions, like, and make it so it doesn't just give you XP. Make it so it gives you like a rare kit. Like, that would actually be cool. Or like kit skins. I'm still in Bedwars for some reason. But yeah, I don't know. It just seems like a good idea. Tell me what you guys think about that in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.